Hey, thanks for joining me. I wanted to update you on a project that I just finished. As you can see here, I took the logo that you just saw and transferred it into my Shaper Origin and actually cut out this shop sign. Overall, it was a tremendous learning experience. I can say that I made a ton of mistakes as the tool was new to me, and although I hope you don't see them, obviously I know where they're at. But overall, I think it turned out pretty well. I used gold leafing and silver leafing on the words to help it pop. Here you see, right here, you see me first cutting it out with the Shaper Origin. The Shaper Origin is the tool on the upper left. It's basically a handheld CNC machine that you load a design into from a CAD program, and from there you can start cutting, and it reads these dominoes, as we call it, which is tape that you place, and that allows it to understand exactly where it is on that piece. Here you kind of see the final outcome. Again, it's loaded with mistakes. I won't go into the details as to why I made so many mistakes, but again, amazing tool. I think from a sign standpoint, it's a good first attempt. Maybe someday I'll remake it. But when I noticed I was starting to make some mistakes, I went all in. I said, I'm going to use this project as a way to learn not only this tool, but some other techniques, such as the gilding, that gold leaf that you see in the word Afton, and the silver leafing in the words wood works. So, fun project. Hope that it'll inspire you to do something similar.